Have you ever wondered why the ground beneath us trembles unexpectedly? Earthquakes, a natural phenomenon, are a result of the Earth's constant motion and activity beneath our feet. The primary cause of these quakes is tectonic activity. Imagine the Earth's lithosphere as a colossal jigsaw puzzle composed of large and small pieces constantly shifting and interacting. These pieces, known as tectonic plates, can generate immense stress along their boundaries when they collide, slide past each other, or separate. This pent-up energy is then released in the form of seismic waves, shaking the Earth's surface, and voila, you have an earthquake. Now, where does an earthquake actually start? Deep within the Earth, at a point called the hypocenter or focus. Directly above this point on the surface, we have the epicenter. The intensity of an earthquake is measured using the Richter scale, or the moment magnitude scale, both quantifying the energy released during the seismic event. The effects of earthquakes are as diverse as their causes. They range from minor tremors that pass unnoticed to major quakes, causing widespread destruction. The extent of these effects depends on the magnitude of the quake, the depth of the hypocenter, the distance from the epicenter, and the local geology. The most noticeable effect is ground shaking. It can cause structures to sway, collapse, leading to loss of life and property damage. The severity of shaking is influenced by factors like the magnitude of the earthquake, distance from the epicenter, and soil conditions. Surface rupture is another effect where the Earth's surface cracks or breaks due to the movement along a fault line. This can be hazardous to infrastructure like roads, pipelines, and railways. Coastal areas have an additional threat from earthquakes, tsunamis. These are large ocean waves triggered by powerful undersea earthquakes, causing devastation when they reach the shore. There are also secondary effects like landslides, avalanches, fires, and aftershocks. These can exacerbate the damage caused by the initial quake, further complicating rescue and recovery efforts. Given the unpredictable nature of earthquakes, preparedness and preventive measures are crucial. Building codes and regulations, early warning systems all play a part in minimizing the damage caused by these natural disasters. To wrap up, earthquakes are a result of the release of accumulated energy in the Earth's crust. They can cause significant damage to infrastructure, loss of life, and other secondary effects. Understanding them is the first step towards mitigating their impact on our lives.